Hello there, Mr. Chu here with my Math Mini. So the question is, can you solve this problem? So if you haven't already solved it up to this point, pause the video now, grab a piece of paper and solve it. The answer is going to be revealed on the very next screen, so you'll know if you got it right or not. So pause it now and work it now. All right, check your answer. X should equal 20. If you solved it correctly, congratulations! That is a two-step equation you just solved. If you didn't, I will work it step by step and check it on the following screen. Try to find your mistake and correct whatever mistake you made. So here's the given equation. I'm going to use what's called the addition property of equality, which means I need to do the opposite of subtracting 14, which means I add 14 to both sides. I cancel that on the left because minus 14 plus 14 is 0, and 3x plus 0 is 3x, and 46 plus 14 is 60. Now I have to get rid of multiplying by 3, and I do that by using the division property of equality. So I divide both sides by the 3, and the 3 over 3 cancels. And my 60 divided by 3, when I divide that, I get x equals 20. To check the solution, I'm going to substitute and use the substitution property of equality to substitute a 20 where the x was here. And this little question mark was supposed to be up above the equal sign. Don't know what happened to that one. I do the order of operations. You multiply before you subtract. 3 times 20 is 60. And then 60 minus 14 tells me that 46 equals 46, and that means that I solved it correctly. All right, so my minis are just quick little problems. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X. I got lots of helpful videos there. It costs 0 to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here's a long link. There's also a link over here if you're on your device, or underneath it. Here is you can put that long link in the browser if you need to. If you have any questions you want me to answer, I have an email address, askmrchu@gmail.com. If you watch this video on TikTok right now, click on the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you follow me on TikTok. Find more of Mr. Chu's Math Minis in the playlist on my YouTube channel. There's everything I got going right now on YouTube. Remember, I'm Mr. Chu, and I want to help you understand math. There will be links that will show up. You can click on and playlists, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Mr. Chu out.